Did you know that ADHD, or attention deficit hyperactivity disorder, affects up to 7% of school-age kids and roughly 4% of adults? That's quite a significant number of people who face challenges in staying focused and controlling impulsive actions. Now, here's something intriguing. Saffron, the spice known for adding flavor and color to food, is being explored by scientists for its potential in helping with ADHD. It's thought that saffron could work similarly to traditional ADHD meds by influencing brain chemicals, possibly aiding in focus and relaxation. The really cool part? Unlike many standard ADHD medications, saffron doesn't seem to have the same side effects, which is a big plus. But keep in mind, saffron isn't officially approved for ADHD treatment by major health authorities yet. This means most doctors might not prescribe it as part of regular treatment plans. If you're considering saffron for ADHD, it's super important to talk to a healthcare professional who understands both traditional and modern medicine. Remember, treatments can work differently for everyone, so finding the right option is crucial.